It has totally impacted her life in a negative way at such a young age. She's already had to learn that there is evil in the world and that not everyone is trustworthy, not even the people that you're told will protect you when your parents can't be around. I ended up losing my job after all of this because I've had to take so much time off with my daughter, through all the counseling appointments, through all of her meltdowns, through all of the testimony she's had to give to detectives, and just to be there for her. She's been through so much already at such a young age, so we just ask that he does not get let off easy like he has for the past 2 years.
He wishes to remain silent, Your Honor.
Right, it's his right. I've read the report. We've scored this on the sentencing guidelines. I've listened to everyone in court, read the victim impact statement. I listened with interest to the victim's father and mother who appeared in court here today. The defendant is 19 years old with no prior criminal history, works, has a 12th grade education. This sad case involves the defendant touching a very little girl at his mother's daycare. I read all the letters that were in support of the defendant. But that doesn't alleviate the concerns that I have about the defendant going forward, or what I see as, if not a refusal to acknowledge how serious this is, at least I haven't been shown that he acknowledges how serious that this is. Maybe he does and I just don't see it. That these things don't happen in a vacuum. It's not a theory. This is real life. These are real people. What you did, Mr. Steffler, was a despicable act. I get that despicable is a term that's bandied about now and thrown around. It applies to this case. It's horrendous. What you did is a thing that no child and no family should have to experience. You have shamed yourself and your family permanently, and you have traumatized another family, and that trauma is permanent as well. I balance out everything. Application of the Home Truthful Training Act certainly would be inappropriate in this case. You'll be placed on probation for the maximum period allowed by law. That's 5 years. All the usual terms and conditions of probation, any special conditions, including sex offender treatment and the sex offender protocol at the discretion of the probation agent. Court costs, victim fee, state costs, all pursuant to statute. Restitution must be determined no later than July 5, 2017. 1 year in the county jail, credit 1 day already served.